Hi guys! Today I'm donating robux to people who like cats. I'm first gonna ask this person. They're probably asked, this person doesn't like cats. Let's try again. Let's see who will say ABC. Someone said ABC. Where are they? They said that they barely get any donations, so let's donate. I'm happy that at least one person likes cats. I think I'm gonna ask this person now. They do, so let's donate. This person's stand even says cats, so I'm gonna donate. They said that they had two cats. They're so grateful. They asked what my cat's name was. This girl wants me to donate, so let's see if she likes cats. Do you think she's telling the truth? Tell me in the comments. This is cute. She's also asking me about my cat. She said that she's not allowed to get a pet. Thanks for watching. Bye.